Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your existing Etsy shop, understanding how to effectively use Etsy ads can make a huge difference in your success. So in this video, we'll cover all the essential questions from what are Etsy ads and how do they work to setting up your first ad campaign and tips for improving performance. We'll even tackle the big question, are Etsy ads really worth it? Let's get into it. Number one, what are Etsy ads? Etsy ads are paid advertising services provided by Etsy to help sellers promote their listings. And these ads can increase the visibility of your products by placing them in prominent spots within the Etsy's search results. By using Etsy ads, sellers can attract more potential buyers to drive traffic to their shop and potentially increase sales. Number two, how do Etsy ads work? Etsy ads operate as a cost per click CPC basis. And this means you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad. And the ad will be displayed based on a bidding system, where you set a daily budget, and Etsy uses this to determine how often your ads appear. Etsy's algorithm considers various factors, such as relevance to the search inquiry, the quality of your listings, and the bid amount to decide when and how often to show your ads. The ads will only be shown to people who are searching for your products based on the keywords that you implement to your listings. So rest assured, it won't be showing them to any random people that's shopping on the platform. It will be targeted. Number three, how much do Etsy ads cost? The cost for Etsy ads can vary widely depending on your budget and the bidding strategy. You set a daily budget, which is the maximum amount that you're willing to spend each day on ads. Etsy then distributes your budget across your active campaign. From my own experience running multiple Etsy shops, the actual cost per click can range from 20 cents to 50 cents, depending on the competition rate for the keywords that you're targeting. And you only pay when someone clicks on your ad, and it won't exceed the daily budget that you set. And if you're enjoying this, make sure to like and subscribe to learn more on how to be successful selling on Etsy. Let's continue. Number four, how to set up an Etsy ad campaign. Number one, log into your Etsy account and go to your shop manager. Number two, click on marketing in the sidebar and then select Etsy ads. Number three, you'll set your daily budget, which is the maximum amount that you're willing to spend each day. Lastly, just set your campaign live by clicking start advertising. And quick tip, after opening up your Etsy shop, there is a 15-day waiting period before you can start to run Etsy ads. Number five, what is a good budget for Etsy ads? A good budget for Etsy ads really depends on your shop's size, your profit margins, and your advertising goals. As a starting point, many sellers recommend starting a daily budget from $1 to $5. And this can allow you to test the waters and see how your ads perform without risking too much money. As you gain insights and your campaign starts to generating sales, you can gradually increase your budget to scale your advertising efforts. What I like to tell my students in my coaching program is how much in total are they willing to spend on Etsy ads in a month. For example, if you're willing to test $300, you divide that by 30, which will give you a $10 daily budget. And quick tip, let's say you set your budget to $10, it may not always reach that maximum budget. Because if there are only a fixed amount of demand for a specific niche, Etsy needs to decide which listings they want to place within those ad spots. So if your listings are not performing as well as the best sellers, then they'll most likely allocate those spots to the best sellers. But don't worry, later in this video, we'll talk more about how to optimize and improve your listings so that you can get more reach and more of those ad spots. Number six, how to choose which listings to advertise. When I plan to start running Etsy ads, I like to test all of my listings. Some will be winners and others will be losers, and that's just how it works. Similar to any online store, you're going to have products that will sell more, which will become the best sellers, and others that won't perform as well. But one thing I don't recommend is assuming which ones will be winners and which ones will be losers. I've been selling on Etsy for almost a decade now, and it still surprises me that the ones I think will do well usually don't, and the ones that don't will do well and actually become best sellers. Number seven, how to improve the performance of Etsy ads. Number one, the most important thing to make sure is that you have a good product. Nothing else would matter. And once you do have a good product, the next is to optimize the listing. You'll ensure that your titles, your descriptions, and tags are relevant and full of different keywords. And next is to monitor the performance. Regularly check your ad performance metrics in the shop manager and adjust your strategy as needed. I'll have a link somewhere on the screen where I go in detail on how to optimize your ads once you've started running it. I'll link it somewhere here. Number 8, how do Etsy ads affect organic search results? Using Etsy ads can indirectly affect your organic search results. So when you run ads, your listings will get more visibility, more visits, which will improve the overall performance metrics such as the conversion rate, the customer reviews, favorites, and these can really play a role and benefit the organic side of that listing over time. All right, now to the last question, the most important one, are Etsy ads worth it? Etsy ads can be a valuable tool for increasing your shop's visibility and driving sales, but their effectiveness depends on various factors, including your product niche, the ad budget, and overall strategy. For many sellers, Etsy ads are worth it because they provide an opportunity to reach a larger audience and boosting sales, especially when you're starting out and promoting new products. However, it's crucial to monitor your ads performance and adjust your approach to ensure that you're getting a positive return on investment. By carefully managing your campaigns and continually to optimize your listings, Etsy ads can be a very powerful component to your marketing strategy. From my experience, on average, the sales driven from Etsy ads contribute to 30% of my total shop sales, where the other 70% is from organic sales. It does play a role, but it's not everything. I have shops where I don't even run ads just because the CPC, cost per click, is too high for those specific products. So it really depends on your situation, the niche, and I always recommend testing it out first and see how it performs for your shop and adjust accordingly. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Subscribe if you haven't already to learn more about how to be successful selling on Etsy, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you for watching. I hope you gained some new insights to apply to your Etsy shop. If you're eager to truly turn your creativity into profit, then check out my Digital Freedom Academy. It's a complete step-by-step, start-to-finish guide to master Etsy with digital products using my unique 4-phase Etsy Freedom framework. You'll discover how to research, how to create your products, the branding, and also how to launch successfully. We'll help you take out all of the guesswork. Myself and other coaches in the community will be there every step of the way to make sure that you succeed on Etsy, because I know how frustrating it can be trying to navigate this online venture alone. And trust me, this is going to save you time and energy. So if you want more details on how to join the community, just click the link below in the descriptions and let's get your Etsy seller journey started in the right path together. I'll see you there.